রাহিম আমি মোহাম্মদ আব্দুল মতিন রঘুনাথপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের অনলাইন ক্লাসের পক্ষ থেকে সকল শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ অভিভাবক শিক্ষক বৃন্দ ও সুধীমণ্ডলী সকলের প্রতি আমার আন্তরিক সালাম ও শুভেচ্ছা। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সপ্তম শ্রেণীর বন্ধুরা, তোমরা ভালো আছো আশা করি। তোমাদের পাঠ্যপুস্তকের যে বিষয়টা নিয়ে আমি আজকে আলোচনা করব, ইউনিট 9 লেসন 16 EFT 7 গ্রামার, টপিকস articles. Dear student and guardians, welcome to everybody. Learning outcomes. Student will be able to describe the definition of article. Student will be able to say the classification of articles. Student will be able to use the articles appropriately. Dear student, I will showing the projector some passages. You will be indicate and guess. Remember, where is the use of article? Dear student, I will read the passage. You will be attention please and write down your exercise. Khata. The monks built their house on high platforms about 6 to 8 feet above the ground, so that their house do not or become damp. The reason to build house on high platform is also to protect them from the different types of insect and animals. Moreover, they can use the empty space below their house to keep things such as agriculture tools and looms. Timber or bamboo post supports the platforms. The walls are made of bamboo shelves and the roof is thatched. These are one kind of articles. Dear student, I will say the color, the bold letter, the use of article. The use of article, the, there is the same word is this called article. Again I will say help, dear class 7 student, missing your exercise notebook. Once upon a time there lived a girl named, listen, she had a brother named Murad. He is a student of a famous school. His school name is Kamalganj Primary School. His headmaster is a very active person. Every day he went fishing in a pond. One day he caught a large fish with his rod. When he was going to school, saw a one-eyed beggar with a bag in his hand. He gave a 1 taka note and an apple to the beggar. The beggar had a knife. Jasmine does not like begging. She wants to be an MBBS doctor. Here all A and R another articles. Dear student, I will say before passage, the use of the, and next passage, dear student, next passage A. Okay, these are same quality, A and or the, use of the. Dear student, again I will read the passage and you will be guess and remember. Mr. Karim is an experienced teacher. He is an effective teacher. He is an MA in completed an honors degree in English in 1990. He is an punctual person in his personal life. As we know about his boyhood, he was an honest man. Everybody has an extra confidence to him. he has an excellent quality like responsibility. This quality has given him the shape of an essential person of the society. He is now known to everyone of the society as an intellectual person. Dear student, these three passages, one passage use of the and second passage use of a and third passage use of an. Okay? Dear student, kinds of article. There are two kinds of article, definite article, the indefinite article. Both kinds of article are used before noun and adjective. Okay? Definite article the is used, definite article the is used before. Before three kinds, part of things. Part of things. I will eat the yellow part of the eggs. I add the meal portion of the cake. Only one thing. Bangladesh is near the boy of Bangla. The sky is blue. The sun rises in the west. The moon shines at night. Singular common. Dear student, singular common. Singular common. The cow lives on grass. The bird flies in the sky. The bamboo is a kind of grass. The cat loves comfort. The bird can fly in the sky. The sweets, these are mentioned words. Dear student, this is the Akhan Road. The Muslims are pious. I heard the radio news. Dear student, both to age, superlative, a special class. He is the best boy in the class. The crow is the ugliest bird. This is the most important notes. The rich are not always happy. The poor are both to suffer. The poor deserve our sympathy. Dear student, you will be, of course, write your exercise note, khata. Let's learn a poem on the use of definite article. Nodi Sagar Deeppunja, you will be Bengali, you will be also write or read. Okay? These words are use of the homework. Dear student, write 5 sentences about your school. Write 5 sentences about your school. Use A and D. Thank you everybody. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.